Hey guys, I'm going to weld up a piece of stainless to some mild steel here. I've got a little bevel right here on the stainless flat bar, and I'm going to take a pass through here first, and then I'm going to try to lay another one over the top, and we're going to see how this sticks to the I'm going to go with a 308 filler wire too, see if I can get a little color in it and go with the mild to the stainless. Okay, well, seems to be burning pretty good. So we got the first time right there. So now I'm going to jump over it and put another little pass over the top.